Hey guys, Tony here. I did get a request to do an Apple TA. I've been interested in looking at Apple and just to see how it's going to be running in the next couple of weeks. I personally think that Apple is extremely bullish. I could definitely see it running super high to the upside. Um, Even as of right now, I can see Apple running, you know, breaking breaking relative highs if it closes the week, and then actually going more towards that 170 level within another month or two. Usually, when we have a break in the weekly like this, you guys can see down here, it's actually gonna be breaking pretty soon, and it's gonna be closing a bullish week. So, let me see what happened last time. So we actually closed the week bullish here. We ran up to peaks of, so it looks like it's in about a month or so, in about 28 days. It looks like that's when Apple really likes to run and do its high pushes to the upside. So I think that after you actually close a bullish week, especially being already overbought on the stochastic, I do think that you can see Apple run pretty hard to the upside, at least for 28 days out. Um, just keep an eye on what happens when Apple is overbought like that. It tends to move pretty nicely towards the upside. As you guys can see here, another example is back here on the week of July 27th, 2020, when it ran from 93 bucks all the way to highs of 128. So yeah, like about 28 $30 or so. It's a little bit higher than what I would like to forecast, but it seems like it's generally going to be moving anywhere between 18 to 20-ish dollars or so. I'd put it at a happy medium of like maybe 18 to 20 bucks and forecast from there. So I can definitely see if crypto, it looks like this is going to be the low for this week. It looks like it is going to be closing a bullish week tomorrow. So I can easily guess that minimum, I'd say in about 28 days, so late September, I say you can easily see Apple at around 166 bucks within the next, 28 days or so. I'd be a little bit more conservative and say possibly about a month and a half, you can see maybe higher than 165 to 170. But more than likely, I'd probably see that trading range kind of play out um, for Apple's next price point. So I'd give it a more conservative price range of anywhere between 165 to like 170. Like I said, in that range of 28 days or so. So basically anywhere in this range, anywhere in that trading range in the next, like I said, I don't know, 28 to 60 days probably. So yeah, definitely Apple up, especially after the bullish close like that. I think it's gonna, like I said, it's gonna close either week. It's gonna close either a weekend, a week bear, or it's actually gonna close a full bullish week. But yeah, I gotta say, I am definitely pretty bullish on Apple. I can easily see it at 100 or anywhere between 165 to 170 minimum in about 28 days out. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.